Welcome to Mortgage Monday featuring Scott Peters with Movement Mortgage.
This is my day 4 of Facebook Live videos, and today I'm in the office with Scott Peters. He's with Movement Mortgage. Awesome.
Hello.
Right here.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. Okay, so today I figured we would get into the different down payment assistance programs that are out there. I know a lot of people are renting. They think that they can't get into a home.
Yeah.
And a lot of times the rent payment is probably more than the mortgage payment.
Absolutely.
Right? Yeah.
I've been coming across tons of people that have said their rent payment is high.
And they're afraid to say, I don't have the money to put down. Well, first, let's just get rid of the myth that you need 20% to put down. Let's just get rid of that, because a lot of people still think that. But I'm going to let Scott here explain. We're going to talk about first there's an $8,000 assistance program out there, right?
Yes, that's through the North Carolina Housing Agency. You can find them right online. They have all the information. Any questions you've got, of course, you can start with me, and then it all can be backed up by checking out their website. But yeah, the $8,000 program that they have available right now is pretty awesome. So if you're at all thinking about buying a home, you really should look into this. What we find out is a lot of people don't realize, or they realize they can afford to make the monthly payment,
right,
but they haven't had enough time to save up the money for the down payment, and that's where this program can help them out. So, if you're at all interested, feel free to give us a call. I can tell you all about it. There are some minimum requirements. I'll go ahead and give those to you now. For this program specifically, you have to be buying a home in North Carolina, you got to be a first-time home buyer, and you have to have a minimum credit score of a 640. There are some income limits and loan amount limits, but we'll cover a lot of that too when you give me a call.
Yeah, okay. And then the $8,000, so say I'm purchasing a $200,000 house. Mm-hmm. We'll use that because that is my general area. So a down payment of $6,000, so basically they wouldn't have to have a down payment.
Right.
And then obviously there's closing costs involved for a buyer, and a lot of times we see buyers ask sellers to help with that.
Yes.
And they would still be able to do that.
Absolutely, yes. So there are some scenarios, if you work it out right, and that comes down to working with a great agent, she'll be able to help you out with structuring the deal accordingly, and that could potentially have you come into closing with very little money, if none at all. Awesome. Now, obviously, we never like to guarantee zero down because
we're not guaranteeing. We're just saying it's possible.
It's possible. Every scenario is going to be different. So what we just encourage is that we sit down and we put the pencil to the paper, and then we can show you how this scenario or this program can benefit you.
Awesome. Okay, so that's the $8,000 one. Like I said, I know you're busy and you've got appointments and whatnot, but what else is out there?
Yeah, that's not the only one. What you'll find is there are actually a lot of counties here in North Carolina may have a specific program that you can use. And then there's another one in Charlotte. So if you're looking to buy just in the Charlotte map, they have a very cool one called House Charlotte. And it's got different options. It could be tailored towards one specific line of work. For example, if you happen to be a service worker, a police officer, there's a special program for that, within the Charlotte market. They also have a pilot program right now, so up to $17,000 in assistance money, which can be used for down payment and closing costs. So, so yeah, if you're at all thinking about buying a home, and the whole not having the down payment thing has held you up, there are programs out there to help you, because you can obviously been making rent payments and you're probably tired of doing that. Why pay for somebody else's door when you can pay for your own?
Amen.
So
cool.
Give Kim a call and maybe I'll be seeing you.
He knows his stuff. I'll let you, if you do want to contact Scott directly, that's cool too. Just make sure you tell him that you found out about him through me, so he can let me know.
We work as a team.
So go ahead, get contact
so Scott Peters, Movement Mortgage, located here in the Kannapolis office of Keller Williams' office. And my phone number is 704-609-0641. Again, 704-609-0641.
Awesome. All right, and you guys know how to get in touch with me, but 704-778-6959. Obviously, you can always hit me up through Facebook, because I'm always...
She's going to be a Facebook queen.
All right, everybody, it's rainy, it's drizzly, but I hope we kind of made you smile a little bit. Yeah. So everybody have a great Monday, and I will see you tomorrow.